Hi, this is M14 Galaxy M14 and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first we should hold for a while the empty space on our home screen and then tap on wallpaper and style on the left down corner. Then click here to change wallpaper and select one from these available wallpapers, default one on your device or just from your device gallery previously taken on your device camera or downloaded from the internet. After that, just select one from the available wallpapers and select home screen to set it only to the lock screen. Tap to next. So now tap on the right upper corner to done, and that's it. Now our changes applied to lock screen successfully, so let's check it, and as we can see, that's all simple. Also, I got one more way how we can do that. Just open the settings, scroll to wallpaper and style. By the same way, click to change wallpapers and select one from these available wallpapers and select home screen, select only the lock screen. OK, done on the right upper corner, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.